In a tragic escalation of violence, the Israeli military has launched another attack on a tented camp in Rafah, resulting in the deaths of at least 21 displaced Palestinians. This strike follows the devastating massacre of May 26, which sparked global outrage. Gaza health authorities reported that the airstrike on an evacuation area west of Rafah killed at least 21 people on Tuesday, including 12 women, according to medical officials. Witnesses confirmed that Israeli tanks and armored vehicles had reached the heart of Rafah, with tanks stationed at the Al Auda roundabout in the city's center. Rafah, designated a safe zone for displaced Palestinians when Israel initiated its campaign in early October, has been heavily impacted. The Palestinian resistance movement Hamas condemned the attack, describing it as indiscriminate, barbaric, Zionist bombing, targeting homes and tents of displaced individuals throughout the city. Hamas called on the UN Security Council to address the situation, which it termed as a disregard for international law. The World Court, the UN's top judicial body, ordered Israel to cease its offensive in Rafah last Friday, but it lacks enforcement power. Despite mounting international pressure, Israel continues its military actions. In the last 48 hours, the Gaza Media Office reported that 72 displaced Palestinians have been killed by Israeli forces. The office accused Israel of intentionally perpetrating massacres against civilians and displaced people, particularly in areas where they have sought refuge. The ongoing invasion of Rafah has forced nearly 1 million Palestinians to flee, many of whom have been displaced multiple times. Humanitarian groups warn of a deepening crisis in Gaza as fighting has severed main aid routes, leading to dwindling food supplies and aid warehouses. Hospitals are struggling to function due to power shortages and the increasing number of casualties. The battle for Rafah, located on Gaza's border with Egypt, has raised regional tensions. Cairo has warned that any spillover of the conflict could jeopardize its peace treaty with Israel, a cornerstone of regional stability. This week, tensions escalated further when Israeli and Egyptian soldiers exchanged fire across the Rafah border, resulting in the death of an Egyptian soldier. President Biden has cautioned Israel against a major offensive into Rafah before the May 6 operation, which followed a Hamas rocket attack on the Kerem Shalom crossing that killed 4 Israeli soldiers. Israel maintains that its operations in Rafah are limited and aimed at combating Hamas. The humanitarian and geopolitical ramifications of the conflict continue to unfold, with significant concerns for the safety and well-being of civilians caught in the crossfire.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.